Okay, so foam rolling from your low back. This is our foam roller. You don't have to have one this massive, but there's many things that we do with it. Foam rolling your low back, one side at a time. So you'll come lay down on the side. Let's go back and forth. Okay. And then moving down to the rest of the muscles that affect the low back is going to be the whole glute med, piriformis glute area. So right now, I'm pretty much have my whole sacrum or tailbone on the foam roller, and I'm going back and forth. I'm basically foam rolling the edge of my sacrum. And once I feel like that's nice and foam rolled out, nice and slow, then I'll rotate my body to the side. Start to get all those different muscles here all the way around. If you feel a spot where it's like, oh, that's a nice knot, you can just kind of lay on it, go back and forth. Then you can go all the way to the front, and you're working on those muscles on the front.